I feel like every time y'all see it, it's up here on the same spot. We bringing it out. We're bringing it out. Full carbon kit coming for it. I'm gonna try and do like a Joker carbon green and purple type thing. I don't know, man, to be honest with you, but we gonna make it look good. What y'all got going on? What kind of builds y'all got going on, man? I got the boost. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I got that big boy Denali on them 30s. Yeah, I broke my fence. I hit it with that truck. My bad. Alright, we in this bitch. Truck game. Denali on 30s. And I got the Scatty in the back. Stop playing with me. I'll show y'all tomorrow. Fire, bro. Dirty. Look at that. Everybody think it's so clean, but from back here, that motherfucker clean, though. We've been having some fucked up weather, man. 1 minute it's hot, 1 minute it's cold. 1 minute we can ride, 1 minute we can't. Either nut clapping. Pause. Hot as fuck. Big booster. I love that part right there. Make the rims look bright. Shit. Dang, though. Cold as fuck. Lord Jesus. You ain't riding in this weather. That big booster though, that's my baby. I know y'all probably don't fuck with it like I do, but that bitch hard, bro. It's hard. Cold as hell outside. Cold as hell outside. Big 30s. Damn, I can't believe I hit the fence. What the fuck was I thinking? Oh yeah, we got a Scat Pack build coming. We painted the Denali on 30s. We painting it purple. Our pink ain't really decided yet. Scat Pack supercharged. You already know the business. We got some built shit coming out. But this is my baby though. That's my baby. She new to the collection. And for those who don't know, I wrecked back in Thanksgiving, around Thanksgiving on my race bike. So we doing a whole rebuild on that. Full DMB build. DME build. I'm sorry. But man, I appreciate y'all tuning in, checking out my little booster. You know the little booster. You know what I'm saying? But for real though, the trees is like fucking blown. It's beautiful, like some Japan trees or something.